Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV location history for recovery using Google Maps timeline, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Maps app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select your timeline from the menu. In the timeline view, you'll see a calendar at the top. Choose the date for which you want to back up your location history. Scroll down to the section titled Your Places. You will find a map showing your traveled routes and the locations you visited. To back up this information, tap on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Select Export to KML file. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the export. Tap OK to initiate the process. The KML file containing your location history will be generated. Once the KML file is ready, you might be prompted to save it to your device or a cloud service. Make sure to choose a location that you can easily access later. Consider saving it in a dedicated folder for backups. If you want a more comprehensive backup, visit Google Takeout on your computer. Log in with the same Google account linked to your Google Maps. Scroll down to find location history on the Google Takeout page. Check the box next to Location History. You can customize the format and once you've made your selections, click on Next Step. Choose your preferred delivery method to receive the data. Finally, click Create Export to start the backup process. You will receive an email once your export is ready for download. Open the email and follow the provided link. Download the zip file containing your location history files. After downloading, unzip the file to access your data. Store the KML files in a secure location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.